Hi guys, welcome to the 13th episode of the Journey of Guysed Up, where we show you how we are building Guysed Up right here in public. So today I am here in Kolkata. As you can see, this is the Bisho Bangla gate. It's a little bit hazy. I am very sorry for not posting the last two videos because we were extremely busy with deployment and there were obviously feature crashes, as you can understand, which happens with every deployment. So today I am here to give you the good news that our app is finally live on Play Store and App Store में भी हमने उसको रिव्यू में डाल दिया है. The only thing is that इसके रिव्यू होने में टाइम लग रहा है because it's the Christmas month and also US के साइड में low staff होता है इस वक्त. Most of the people are in holiday, so it is taking a little bit time for us to get it reviewed. Also review में दो problems हुए थे. That is when there are places for screenshots when you take for deployment, when you go for deployment, there are places for screenshot. उसमें जो iPad का screenshot है, that has to be from iPad only, and that also it has some specific sizes कि ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. They have specific rules कि एक iPad का screenshot should be strictly like this. So हमने क्या किया था, पहले वाला जो iPad का screenshot है उसमें हमने iPad का जो सराउंडिंग बॉर्डर है वो डाला था, विच दे रिजेक्टेड. इसके पहले हमने फ़ोन का डाला था, वो भी रिजेक्ट हो गया. तो कल नहीं, उसके पहले दिन हमने लास्ट डाला था विदाउट द बॉर्डर. हमने बस स्क्रीनशॉट डाला. लेट्स सी इफ इट गेट्स अप्रूव्ड बिकॉज दे टोल्ड टू पुट इट दैट वे. इफ इट डज नॉट गेट देन वील हैव टू अगेन डू सम रिसर्च एंड फाइनली. बट इट इज़ सो सैड टू टेल दैट बस स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए ऐप अपडेट इतना डिले हो रहा है. But yeah, Play Store में it has already come and you can of course download it and just tell how it looks, the new features, the new UI UX, how it looks. And yeah, Apple Store में it's in review. iPhone वालों को जल्दी मिल जाएगा. So yeah, please let me know how you feel about this app, the new version of course. And of course next Friday I'll be telling you guys if the App Store is finally live or not and what are the feedbacks that we received and what people told us about this new app. Also please comment down what you feel about this app. We are really looking for your feedback in order to improve it more. So yeah, let's take Guysed Up from India to world, of course with all your love and blessings. So yeah, thank you for watching this far. Thank you for keeping up with us. Thank you, thanks and bye bye.